Let's be controversial. Daylight savings time or not?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. I think maybe yes.
Yes, yes.
However, I have a question.
Absolutely.
I have a
Okay,
question.
okay.
Go ahead, Audrey. What do you think?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Sure, but it's hard for us who have to like go to bed
I'm
early.
selfish. This shift, it's terrible.
Yeah.
But,
I can lay down and go to sleep right now
well, sure, right?
with all the lights on.
What was the controversy, or what was the question?
What do you think is going to happen with our sunset and sunrise?
Oh, I can tell you. Let's talk about it. Boy, you're leading right into it, Jessica. Okay. Now, if we did or we didn't have daylight savings time, okay, here are the time differences. April 1st, if we did not have daylight savings time, the sun would set at 6:52 as opposed to 7:52. Let's just fast forward to June the 20th. The sunset would be 7:36 as opposed to 8:36. You know, July 4th, you usually have to wait until about 9 o'clock before you can set off the fireworks. Well, if we didn't have daylight savings time, then 8 o'clock in the evening, you could have the fireworks. So, just being selfish on this shift, I'd rather have the sun go down earlier, but that's just me. Most people would probably favor the daylight savings time. All right, let's take a look out there today. This is what I'm expecting. Average high is 70. I think we'll hit about 68, 69, right where we should be for this time of the year. The low temperatures will be above average. The record is 90, set back in 1918, a long time ago. That's a long-standing record, and we've picked up 1.71 inches of rain so far this year. We're kind of lacking on the rain already. Okay, temperatures at noon, about 65 degrees or so. And your high temperature getting close to 70, 68, 69. We may hit 70 as well, but a lot of cloud cover and breezy conditions. Dense fog advisory for our southeastern counties, but I wouldn't worry about it in DeWitt County and Karnes County. The fog is staying down to the south. Beeville about 1.5 miles and Port Lavaca about a half-mile visibility. Current temperature 61. We've got 50s in the hill country out at Del Rio, 60 in Hallettsville, coming in right around 60 degrees. Cold frontal boundary pushing through. The winds are picking up. Really not strong. The strongest winds are kind of lagging behind the front, but I do think later this morning those winds will pick up and then they'll probably die down a little bit as we head into the late afternoon. Here's where the frontal boundary is now. There's not a lot of cooling behind this front either. I mean, we were in the upper 50s. We're now in lower 60s. Dallas-Fort Worth 53. Now Midland's a lot cooler, and Amarillo coming down to about 33. So highs in the upper 60s. Plain State's looking good. We're going to have a little shower activity in Ohio if your travel plans take you there, and also into New England. There will be some showers and snow showers. All right, the last several days I was saying we would have a front today with no upper level support, and there is no upper level support, so therefore no rainfall. I think we'll have partly cloudy skies for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Very slight chance of a shower on Monday, and then if this system was a little bit further to the south, we may be looking at a line of thunderstorms, but at this point, maybe a 20% chance for Tuesday. All right, high temperatures today, again, upper 60s with lots of cloud cover. Pollen count, mold's light, mulberry's light, ash is light, elm is also light. Tomorrow morning, 49 for a low, high 72. 70s over the weekend, partly cloudy skies. I think the weekend's looking really good, as a matter of fact. And then that 20% chance of a shower or thunderstorm on Tuesday. Pacific front, so not that much cooler. And don't forget, March 9th, Sunday morning at 2 a.m. to spring forward 1 hour.
Wild that we are already here, Paul.
I know,
That
already
change
here.
in our forecast. That's pretty crazy. So out there.